Okay. Hi Esther, it's happy to be with all of you with diverse communities and to celebrate Christmas today. What do you think about this event where Press Club of Pakistan UK, where the majority of members is Muslim from Muslim community, and they organized this event for their Christian brothers. So what do you think about this event of today?
Oh, I think it's absolutely wonderful. I'm really impressed. I wasn't really sure what I was coming to, but honestly, it's really cheered me up and made me realise how much the world is progressing and it's going in the right direction.
So do you think this will build bridges between communities and we will come together in this way?
Absolutely, definitely. It will prevent wars. I think it's fabulous, and especially like the children are the best place to start, aren't they? So by the time the children in school now at our age, I think it's just going to be one together unit, don't you think? Yeah, a place of unity.
Thank you very much, Esther.
You're very welcome.